Let's talk about cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that delivers online services such as processing power, storage, and resource management. It involves a network of servers hosted on the internet that are both flexible and scalable. Cloud computing offers on-demand solutions that are elastic and cost-effective. This is in contrast to servers that are located on-site. In case the manufacturing industry grows exponentially, cloud computing enables that growth without a lot of IT hassle. Cloud computing is an integral component of smart manufacturing. Some of the key benefits are centralized storage and management of the vast amounts of data generated throughout the manufacturing process, the computational power for real-time data analytics. Cloud computing provides a platform to host digital models and the simulations needed to keep the production going forward. And that's what cloud computing is.